How to beat Anuphet in Warhammer 40k Tacticus. So, we haven't reached him yet, but this is a new account. So, before anything, let's just go to him first, which is found in the Indomitus campaign. He's one of the final bosses in this chapter, as you can see over here. Commanding Legion, and whatever details he gives you. And once you beat this level, you will get shards and whatnot. So, Anuphet, of course, is going to be difficult, since he's one of the hardest bosses in the chapter, being the final boss and all that. So you should be able to see more information about Anuphet over here in this section. So doing so will give you information about this character, like seeing his skills. If you see his skills, you know how to counter it and what you're gonna need, which characters you need to be able to survive, and basically beat Anuphet in the whole. So first active or skill he has is a Resurrection Orb. In a free adjacent hex, he summons a Necron Warrior, and for each round that has started, summons one more Necron Warrior for each friendly unit with the trait Living Metal that has defeated in this battle. So with that, you should be able to know how to burst him at this point, especially with his special attack, often multi-target or armor piercing depending on the mode. There's also the second passive he has. At the start of its turn, Anuphet deals energy damage to a random enemy. So if it fits your gameplay, support heroes as well that can heal your teammates. If you really want to guarantee your win, make sure your characters that you're using is at the very least maximum, not maximum, but as max as you can get your characters to. So just go ahead and get yourself the counters or whichever characters you have. You can't really, if you have just started playing the game, of course you can't really choose which characters you could play since you haven't unlocked everyone yet. You can only unlock them via the gacha in this game, and expectedly you don't have access to that yet. Basically the common or the main starter characters. So just go ahead and upgrade those as well. If you are going for the main 5, like these guys over here, make sure to always utilize what you have, like tanking Bellator over here and having the damage dealers and the support in the back. Pretty much depends on how your gameplay is, or game style. If your game style is not working, then of course you're gonna need to change that, obviously. But one of the best ways to defeat bosses like this, especially since he can revive more and more, is to just burst him down in one go. If there's multiple enemies at once, just ignore them at some point. Use area of damage characters that can deal with the small ones, but your main damage characters always go for Anuphet. That way you can clear the game or clear the actual chapter or level or boss level as fast as possible. But hopefully the idea does help you in a way. Hopefully it does. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.